my makeup already looks good and I need to go out somewhere.
Hey guys, Yesenia here. I'm excited because the day of today, I'm gonna show you how to create a grunge eye look. To start off this look, we're gonna go in with our Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and we're gonna go in with Wild Heart, which is this shade right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and go into our crease. And we're just gonna take it with the natural shape of the eyes. All right, so once we kind of have that, we are now gonna go in with Hell Ride, which is this one right here. And it's kind of like a darker shade, not as pink. And we're just gonna lightly tap it right in here, the corner of our eye. So we are gonna be doing a cut crease today, so we definitely want there to be a lot going on inside of the crease, just to really give us that like professional person look. We're gonna go ahead and go in with a different palette. We're gonna go in with this one, which is from MAC Cosmetics, and we're gonna take this shade right here, which is like a brown. And we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. We're focusing more on the outer part of the eye, as you can see, like this. And since we are gonna do a cut crease, we don't really wanna waste too much product putting it here in the lid. But we wanna make sure that it kinda gets in there just to make sure that we have dimension. So now we're gonna go in with this Stila shadow. Can I swatch this, please? Because, oh my God. We're just gonna add a little bit of that out here again. And we're going in here. So it's just kind of gonna add some shimmer in there. And also, I would usually do my foundation first, but since we are doing a darker look, I don't want any fallout on my face, because there's nothing worse than doing like a killer look and then you have all kinds of fallout and you try to wipe it and it's a whole thing and then you're like, canceled, plans are canceled, I'm not coming. I'm gonna go in with another Stila shadow, and this one is Smoky Quartz. It gives you dimension, it gives you that like, it's like that extra touch that you just need. So we're gonna do the same on the other eye. We're ready to cut the crease. I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. So we're gonna start like going in here. So just kinda, and you kinda just wanna follow the natural shape of your eye. Okay. Yes, cut crease, come all the way through, cut. So I'm gonna be going in with a shade from the Morphe palette. It's this one right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and take it and just kinda tap it on. Yes, do you see that? So now I think I'm gonna go back in with that same Stila one with this one right here. This right here, I'm kinda going to just blend. Just to give us like an extra smoked out look. Good. Let's go in with that same pink that we used, Wild Heart, which is this one right here. And then we're gonna go like in our lower lash line just a little bit. Okay. And then to really finish it up, we're gonna have to add some lashes, of course. Real quick prayer to the lash gods. I'm on camera, so if you guys could please do me a favor and not act up today, that would be fantastic, because you know they be doing that. But not all mascaras work for me, and I recently found one that does work for me, and when you find something that works, you hold on to it tight, and it is actually the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but the waterproof kind. So once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and add lashes, because you can't really do a bold look and not have lashes. Honestly, if you ever have those moments where your eyelash won't go on and you're like, I'm not coming, don't feel alone, girl. I do that like once a week. Okay. As we can see, the look is, I don't even have foundation on, girl, and I am feeling myself. I'm ready. Now we're gonna go in with mascara again, just to make sure that our lashes really look like together. The bottom lashes need love also. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole face foundation, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish it off with the most amazing lip that's gonna really wrap up the grunge look. All right, so now that we're all wrapped up with our face, yes, girl, serving looks, give it to me, amazing. Now we're gonna go in for lips, and this is really gonna finish up the look. Just a little trick is, if you do this right here, and then put gloss on top, it kind of creates the illusion of like juicy, big lips. So we're going in. For gloss, we're gonna be going in with the Buxom Vuva Plump. It's called Stay the Night. Oh my God, it goes on so nicely. I just want to like sit here and just, nice. Oh, sorry, yes, oh my God. So this is pretty much the completed look. But like I mentioned before, no look is complete without your confidence, girl, so you need to bring it. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, my name's Yesenia, and I'll see you guys very soon.